Okay, now we're going to extend this blog app with, for the moment, simple content, nothing fancy, no functional module. So first of all, let's have a look at the structure of this of the client part of the application. So here's where the application is bootstrapped, and as you can see, it registered the main module. So in modules folder, you will have all the functional modules, and in particular, we will get the main module where we set up everything, and especially the main routing. Means if we go to that route, we will go to the about page, and this is basically what you can see in the navigation tab. So let's add a new one. Let's call it images. It's going to deal with images, and we're going to change the template images HTML. So now we have to create in our team a new view. So it's going to be HTML file and called images HTML. Okay, so for the moment, let's just put hard-coded content like this. Yeah, images content. Okay, so what we want to do now is put a link in our index page so that this route can be accessed. So if we go here, we have it here, and it's going to be images and images. Now if we go back to the application, so we have a new route and we have the images content. So pretty easy so far. Now we want this content to be managed by a content management system. So what we're going to do here is use a markdown directive, which I developed especially for this application. So you just have to put markdown content and put the name you want this section to be bound to. So let's call it image section, images section. Yeah, pretty good. And so you can find this directive, of course, in the functional module markdown. This is this one. So if you want more details, just have a look. Okay, so now let's go back to our images. Of course, we don't have any content for the moment because we haven't created the post related to this module. So let's go to our dashboard and create a new post. Don't remember how I call it, sorry. So it was images section. Okay, so images section. Let's edit this. New images section. This is the new images section. Okay, let's put it image section, whatever. And now if you go back to our images module, we have the content rendered. So it's pretty nice, but now what we want to do is add some stylings. So let's add a class to make it easy. Let's call it images section container. And in our theme, we're going to add a partial to this one. So add new file. We call it images.css, and we have, of course, to import it inside the main theme. Okay, so import partials, and that was images. What's wrong with this? Yeah, partials, images should be fine. So now, of course, we want to add some stuff in it. So images, section, container, and want the background to be okay. We're going to import the theme variable to make it easier. So import variables, and we're going to use the base, yeah, base gray maybe, yeah, and put the color to lighter gray. If you want the H2 border bottom to it's a solid base color, and that's it. Now we have new content, and of course you can improve it because so far it's pretty ugly.